How to gift Telegram Premium to friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can gift your Telegram Premium to your friends. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to gift your Telegram Premium to friends, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, regardless if you have Premium or not, you can still gift Premium to your friends. So you can tap the three lines option there, and once you tap the three lines option, you can simply go to settings. I already have a Premium myself, but if you want to gift Premium to someone, tap on the gift Premium option, select a person whom you'd like to gift it, tap the proceed option, select what kind of plan that you want to send them with 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, or whatever else. Then tap on the gift subscription option, and once you have done that, you will be able to gift the subscription. This way you will be able to gift Telegram Premium subscription to friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.